going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are bringing the Hellcat up to Colorado Springs, the dealership finally. I have my friend Nate with me behind the camera. My friend Billy, he brought him. What up? And hopefully, after we go to the dealership, I can actually drive this thing. I'm not going to drive it home, but I can maybe take it for a rip down the block. What the hell? They don't have a thing.
What the hell?
Like, look at that.
Dude, this is a $80,000 car.
They don't have a thing for the fuel cap, so it scratches at your damn flare up. So what are they thinking?
So you're gonna be able to fill your truck and the car at the same time?
Damn it.
Oh, no, fail.
I gotta move closer.
No, watch, it still won't reach. No.
Damn, they need to fix these. Car wash, yeah, I'll drive right through that.
Like an ice cube on the trailer.
Look how nice and shiny it is. I bumped it yesterday.
Nice.
It's supposed to get dirty on the highway.
Yeah.
Wait, spring.
Oh, it's not gonna snow, and it's gonna go back to the garage. First fill up in the Hellcat, and gas is like $3.20 here, which is a lot cheaper than California, and the car is empty, so I'll see how much it's gonna cost to actually fill this thing up.
Missing a couple things. That red key did you get from us or a different dealership?
I got it from a dealer I'm working with in New York.
Oh, okay. Cool. You guys want to follow me? We'll just come over here. I'm just going to go over some information real quick, just make sure that it looks like, yeah, we came right in the red key. Looks like you want the ABS system lit.
Yeah, you got the AC car.
Now, is there anything on it?
Just dropped the Hellcat off at Dodge, and they're gonna do the ABS bleed, the alignment, the AC charge, and program the red key. So it should be like a few hours, I think he said. Maybe around noon they should be finished with it, and hopefully after that everything's good to go and I can actually take it for a rip. I mean, there is a nice long straight road, but there's a lot of cars pulling out, so I don't know. We'll see what happens. We don't know. Came to the Porsche dealership, and Billy's gonna make me a sandwich, aren't you, Billy? Shit. Dropped the car off at 8 o'clock this morning. It is now 4. I still don't think they're done with it. We're gonna go check on it. I hope they're done with it. I'm tired of waiting. We went over to eat some lunch at the Tilted Kilt, so that was pretty fun. We actually spent like 3 or almost 4 hours there, I think. But yeah, hopefully we don't have to wait up here any longer. It's been a long day just waiting around, and I really, really want to drive the car.
So much fun he has with the recorder now. That's what happens when you have your friends take over your camera for you.
we just got done getting the Hellcat from the Dodge dealership. Unfortunately, it kind of seemed like they didn't want to do a lot of work on this. It took them, I dropped it off at 8 in the morning, got it back at, it's almost 5 o'clock. Everybody's gone home for the day now. But yeah, it runs, it drives, the brakes work. For some reason, they didn't. There's a ABS and a track error that they didn't reset. Also the airbag issue, they didn't reset that as well for some reason. They could see that everything's replaced. I told them about it, but obviously, I don't know. I guess I just have to find somebody that has the tool to do it and then get everything fixed with the airbag stuff. Has brand new everything, and the traction control stuff shouldn't be bad either. So I just need to find somebody with the right tools. But now we're gonna head home, take the Hellcat home, and take it for a little drive. I drove it on the 500 horsepower setting, just gave it a little pull down the street, which wasn't that big of a deal. And yeah, other than that, I want to save the 700 horsepower until we get home and actually can try the launch setting.
Traffic coming up this way, it looks like. You're off. How does it feel?
It was on 707 at first, and it was like, oh shit.
A little surprising.
Yeah, it was, and then I turned it down 500. I didn't give it a full riff on 700, but I mean, it like started to move. I was like, damn, that ain't bad. For what they cost compared to everything else, I think that thing's way faster.
It's 707, still a pretty good bargain.
Yeah, I mean, not bad. Well, let's put the truck away, shit. I need to adjust my mirrors. I can't see nothing. That's better. That's better. We're good to go now. So, Nate, actually I wish I had a thing. I can't get your reaction.
Oh, GoPro thing?
Yeah.
I could do fucking selfie mode.
On your phone or what?
No, on this thing, eh?
I don't think so. Oh. Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, that kind of works.
I mean, the ride's pretty comfortable.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like driving around a Cadillac.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like a 700 horsepower fucking supercar.
Yeah, the electric steering is weird.
It feels pretty responsive, eh?
Yeah, I mean, it ain't bad. Turn around here. The brakes work good.
Nice.
I mean,
they oughta. They're fucking massive.
Yeah, huge. Huge brakes. Oh, I gotta get on the dirt. No.
Time to buff it again.
No, just probably wash it. Nissan's in a good,
Yeah, that's way better
desirable
now.
position. You ready for
the
this?
curve?
Yeah, I mean, it's just a curve.
All right.
Oh, fuck this.
Feels good for 500.
That thing baked the tires. Holy
Yeah.
shit. That thing was baking the tires. Holy crap.
Those some fucking wide ass tires to cook too.
I mean, they're kind of. Here's 708, right before the curve. Ready?
All right. Oh fuck. There's a fucking massive difference.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
It's a lot different.
Yeah.
It's like. Should I give Billy a baker? Should I give him a camera?
Yeah.
Hey, get a launch. Just drove the Hellcat. 500 horsepower is like, it's not that bad. What do you think, Nate? It was just like, it was like,
a fast car.
Yeah, it's like a fast car. But then turning it to 700 horsepower, literally, I accelerated from a dead stop and it just wanted to light the tires up from like, it went through second gear and then traction control kicked in to like kind of keep it under control. And then third kind of chirp down there. I mean, it's crazy how much power that these like newer cars have. I mean, they're expensive, but it's just crazy that these things drive around the street and you could buy them. I mean, anybody could go buy one. Even I'm just surprised that they sell these to people because it's obvious why these things get wrecked so easily. Another thing, when I was going around the turn, I was in 700 horsepower, just like full in it, and it didn't want to like the back didn't want to kick out, anything like that. So it is a really stable car. I just think the people that, you know, buy them just don't know how to drive them. So I'm really excited that the Hellcat is now drivable. I just need to get the fenders and the hood from Dodge and get the new paint up from Denver, get all that stuff sprayed. They still have been having issues with getting good fenders and good hoods. I guess everything comes through FedEx, UPS, or a shipper other than Dodge's shipper, and they always just get wrecked. So hopefully I can get a set soon so I can get this thing all the way back together. But I hope you guys like these videos. Make sure to click the subscribe button, throw a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and as always, see you next time.